Can you hear me?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Very good morning.
Morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning. So, is my sound is audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So, what's your course title? Course title.
Cell biology and crop botany.
Crop botany. Okay. So the practical session you already covered some crop botany sessions, no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Can you hear me?
ඕකට අර පටින දවස් පහක් විතර ගිහින් ගානේ මේ පටින පහක් තිබ්බා. ඒ පහට ගිහින් දවස් දෙකක් විතර හොඳටම තෙවුණා. තෙවුණෙන් පස්සේ උන්දා ගිහින් ටිකක් පහන්න ඔය ගත්තා. ඊට පස්සේ මේ සේම
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So what are the families you already covered? How many families you already covered?
10 family.
10. What are those? What are those?
Family Solanaceae.
Solanaceae,
Fruitaceae.
Fabaceae.
Fabaceae, Poaceae, Ericaceae, Asteraceae, sorry, Euphorbiaceae, Brassicaceae, Brassicaceae, Malvaceae, and today Cucurbitaceae, no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, any one of you, can you tell about the Solanaceae? Any one of you, can you? Arani? Okay, good. So, what are the crops comes under the family Rutaceae?
Lemon,
Berry.
double,
Lemon, wood apple, lime, orange. Okay. So, Euphorbiaceae? Euphorbiaceae, what are the crops?
rubber,
Castor. Then, only rubber and castor. Manihot. Okay, good. So today you may study the family Cucurbitaceae. This is the last family under the crop botany. In your 1-1, you studied the 10 families. This is the last family you may study under the crop botany session. Okay, so that you should have a vast idea about these families. Okay, don't confuse each families. So better to put the chart form and remember all the things. Okay, this is important for your all examinations. Okay, the exams may be the quiz, meet, practical or theory. The crop botany is important session in case of your agricultural biology. I think you already know that one, isn't it? Yes or no? Yes or no? Please speak loudly. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So don't confuse each families. Please remember that all the families clearly. Okay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And all of you ready for the presentation? Upcoming classes. Are you ready? Are you ready? Presentation.
Screen up, ma'am.
Still not. Okay. So today is last family, and upcoming practical session also you have one practical, the medicinal plant and the spices and condiment. Okay. Then after you may start your presentations. Okay. Better to prepare now. Do you know how to prepare the presentation? Do you know?
Can you explain the regulations?
These regulations already discussed, no? The previous practicals, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes or no? Discussed or not? Discuss or not?
Don't know, madam.
But we need once more time.
You want again?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? In that class you absent or not?
Present,
Absent?
ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Okay. So in your presentation, the presentation slide should be uniform in manner. Okay. Okay, the front size should be the 28 in the sentence case. The title should be 32. And all the font types in the Times New Roman. Okay. And each and every slide should have maximum sentence 8. Okay. Did you got the point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the 32 font size in the title, and the content part 28 font size, and all the font type is the Times New Roman. The maximum sentence is the 8 for each slide, and you can make a slide in your own way. Okay, the slide should be have the main importance points. Okay, don't type as the bulky sentence. Just put the points and you can explain that one. While your presentation, you can explain. Okay, that's a presentation format. You can make your own way. It may be the color format or the black and white. That's your preference. Okay, so if you choose the background as the black color, the sentence should be in the white in color. Okay, or if the background is the light color, the sentence should be in the dark in color. The sentence we can't see. The sentence should be the visualized for the audience. Okay, did you understood? And
Yes.
you can, yeah, and you can make some attractive pictures. Then in the agriculture biology, the first semester, you can make some animations for the audience understanding. You can make some animations and attractive pictures you can put. Okay, and the presentation should be contain the important points. Okay, please give the relevant points related to your title. Okay, and reference should be the Harvard format and refer the journal article and the books. Don't get the information from the unrecognized resources like Wikipedia, like that. Okay, the reference should be the proper format in the Harvard format and should be get from the journal articles and the books. Okay, all of you got the point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is your guidelines for your presentation. Please prepare the presentation as we given the guidelines. Okay, so shall we start today practical sessions? Do you have any doubts?
Ma'am, how many slides can we make, ma'am?
That's up to you.
Okay.
Okay. Before practical, before presentation, we inform for 5 minutes or 8 minutes for each group. According to that one, you can make your presentation. Okay. That not define the practical slide numbers. According to the time limit, you can make. Okay. Any doubts? Any doubts? No. Shall we go to today's session?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Okay, thank you. So Kidanjali will take today's session, okay? And again, I will tell, please remember all the families. These are important for your exams. Okay, don't confused.
Good morning, students. My voice is audible?
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, good morning. Okay, shall I start the practical?
Okay,
ma'am. Okay.
Recording in progress.
Okay, today we will see about family Cucurbitaceae. Okay, this is the last family in your practical. Okay, we see about the introduction. This family include 100 genera and 850 species. This is the widely distributed family. Okay, the tropical and subtropical region of the world. This species widely distributed. The crops belongs to this family called as cucurbits. Do you know about the cucurbits family? Do you heard about before? Did you heard about the cucurbit? Or what? You already know about that crops, okay? That popularly known as gourd family. That family contain large number of the edible fruits. There's squash, pumpkin, watermelon. These are the crops that belong to this family, okay? Bitter gourd, ash gourd, snake gourd, bottle gourd, loofah, and cucumber. Did you heard about that gourd family that is called as cucurbit? Then we will see about the vegetative characters. First, cabbage, that majority are annual or perennial. Trailing or decumbent vines. Trailing mean that cover the ground part. Okay, that horizontal growth. If you see pumpkin, that has horizontal growth. No, pumpkin, ascot, that has horizontal growth. Climbing by means of tendrils. Here you can see the tendrils that helps to climbing of that plant. Then see about the stems. Stems, herbaceous. Herbaceous mean non-wood stems. Okay. Climbing stems, collar stem, angular, the glabrous. Glabrous mean non-hairy structure in the stems, that is smooth stem. Okay. Or it's sometimes that has hairy or prickly. Prickly mean that stems that may have outwards growth on the stems. Thorn-like structure that may be present in the stem. Then root. Root is taproot and branched. Okay. Leaf, simple leaf. That leaf only simple leaf or single leaf only. That is in petiole. No any compound leaf. In most cases, palmately lobed or divided. Here you can see the palmately lobed leaf. Okay. Usually extubulate. No any stubule in this leaf. Large and long petioles. If you see them pumpkin or ash gourd or bitter gourd, that petioles is long. Okay, tendrils present in leaf axil or opposite to the leaf. When you see the stem of that plant, that tendrils sometimes leaf present in the leaf axis or otherwise opposite to the leaf. Okay, or alternate arrangement of the leaf. These are the pictures that indicate the stems and leaf. First, here you can see the hairy climbing stem. Okay. Second, tendrils. Tendrils is help for the climbing of the plant. Third, simple palmately lobe leaf. And fourth, long petiole. When you see the bitter gourd or pumpkin, here you can see that palmately lobe leaves, long petiole, tendrils, and hair stem. You can see. Okay. This is the floral characters. This include inflorescence. You already studied about the inflorescence structure. Okay, cymose or otherwise solitary, axillary, sometimes panicle, rarely racemose. Here I put some pictures about the inflorescence. Okay, you already studied about the inflorescence with pictures. Okay, until that, any other doubt? Any other doubt about the leaf structure, stems?
Madam, what is axillary?
Axillary, do you already studied? No, that is one of the influence types. Okay. In your practical, first practical or second practical, did you study? No. Oh, this is a new one. This is new one for axillary. They told about the didn't tell about the axillary. Other students? Why are you silent? Did you studied in previous practical about axillary influence? Students,
Yes, ma'am.
did you study? Oh, this is new one for you. Please tell me. Studied, okay? I didn't put that pictures, but you already studied in. You refer that practical. That practical has some pictures about influence type. Okay, you can see that axillary influence. Okay. This is the solitary axillary inflorescence of pumpkin. Here, that inflorescence that only in one flower that present in the petiole. Okay, the flowers. This flowers regular actinomorphic. Actinomorphic means that has many access to symmetry. When you cut in half, that will match any other position. Okay, unisexual means that only that flower has male part or female part. Rarely bisexual. Epigynous, that inferior ovary. Okay, below the calyx, that ovary present. Small or large, mostly white yellow flower. In bitter, if you see bitter gourd, that is white flower. Pumpkin, ash gourd, watermelon, that yellow color flower. Okay. Pentamerous, but with tricarpellary pistil. Pentamerous mean that flower has stamens, petals, and sepals all in 5 sets of part. Sepals 5, petals 5, and stamens 5. Okay. Tricarpel mean carpel, 3 carpel fused on into one piece. Okay. Pistil, already you already know that that female parts called as pistil. Okay, and stamens united into 2 pairs, calyx and corolla inserted on an elongated hypanthium. Hypanthium means cup-shaped tube. Okay, that present below the calyx or corolla. Okay. These are the picture. Snake gourd, watermelon, ash gourd, bitter gourd, bottle gourd. Okay. The snake gourd flower is white color. Okay. Bottle gourd also white color flower. Bitter gourd, ash gourd, watermelon. This is yellow color flower. You want to see? You want to know about that flower color? Okay. Sometime in sport, you may face about the flower structure. Okay. Sometimes they will place flower. Okay. You want to identify. That's male flower producing large number. Okay. Calyx, sepals 5. Okay. I already told no 5 sepals. And chemosepalous. Chemosepalous means sepals all fuse into one. Okay. That calls chemosepalous. Sepals pointed, rarely petaloid. Petaloid means that is non-essential part, but that help to the protect the reproductive part of the flowers. Okay. Campanulate. Campanulate means that is the perianth shape. Okay. That is bell shape. Okay. Perianth, bell shape perianth. Astification imbricate. Astification means the arrangement of the floral structure. Calyx, corolla, sepals and petals, that arrangement. Mode of the arrangement that called astification imbricate. Okay. Understand any other doubt?
Ma'am, can you tell again hypanthium?
Okay. Okay. Hypanthium means cup-shaped structure. Okay. This that hypanthium is placed below the corolla, calyx, and stamens. Okay. Here you can see below the calyx or corolla cup-shaped structure. You can see in Cucurbitaceae family. Okay. That called hypanthium. Okay. That elongated hypanthium you can see. Okay. Here calyx and corolla inserted. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Then see about corolla. This petals 5, mostly sympatalous. Sympatalous means all the petals fuse in one piece. Okay, corolla, that called corolla tube-like structure. Inserted on the calyx tube, campanulate to rotate. I already told about the campanulate. Imbricate or valvate acidification. Okay. Then androecium. Usually 5 stamens that present in the androecium inserted at various level on the hypanthium. Okay. Sometimes free or combined to form central column. Here anthers unite to form column. Sometimes that free or sometimes unite to form column. Okay. Exposed anthers and always divides longitudinally. Exposed anthers mean the anthers face periphery of the flower. Okay. Outside that face periphery of the flowers. Intros anthers mean that face inside the flower. Okay. Here, this is the male flower. You can see the anthers that make column-like structure. Okay, all are combined to form column. Okay, this is the androecium. Then female flower. Until that, any other doubt in male flower? Any other doubt? No any doubt? Oh,
No doubt, ma'am.
okay. Okay, we will see the female flower. The female flowers producing the few number. Okay, calyx and corolla as in male flower. That sepals 5, petals in 5 in female flower also. Okay, and in female flower, androecium absent or otherwise stabilidones are present. Stabilidones mean that rudimentary or sterile stamens that not produce the pollen. Okay, that not that is that called as stabilidones. Okay, this is the female flower. Here that below the calyx, here you can see the pumpkin like structure. you can easily differentiate the male and female flower. Okay, here in female flower, pumpkin like structure you can see. Dinoecium tricarpellary. Tricarpellary means three carpels fused in one piece. Okay, thin carpels also that carpels fused in one piece. Okay, inferior ovary numerous ovules. That ovules develop in numerous number. Okay, inside the ovary. Parietal presentation. Parietal presentation means that ovule develop on the wall of the ovary. Here this is the wall of the ovary. From here, ovules is developed. Okay, this is the parietal presentation. Anatropous means that inferior ovule. Inside the ovary, ovule present. No, that ovule is inferior. Okay, inferior means that face downward. Okay, and short style. Style is short. Stigma 3 to 5. Okay, this is the gynoecium. You can easily differentiate the female and male flower. In your spot also, you want to identify the male and female flower of the cucurbitaceae. Okay, in female flower, here you can see the pumpkin-like structure. Okay, in male flower, no any like that structure. Here also male and female flower. This is the female and male flower. Okay. Any other doubt about the picture and female flower?
No.
Okay. This also that pictures. Okay. Female and male flower. In your practical written, you want in practical copy you want to clearly draw the female and male flower. Okay. This is the floral diagram of the male and female flower. Here, this is the male flower. Brect may present or otherwise not present. If brect means not present of the brect. And actinomorphic and male calyx 5 no, corolla also 5 and androecium 5. I already told no 5 stamens present and gynoecium is absent. Here also female flower also brect may be present or absent. Actinomorphic and calyx 5, corolla 5, androecium here absent. Inferior ovary. Okay. You want to careful about that floral diagram. Okay, you studied more floral diagram about the solanaceae, fabaceae, rutaceae. Also, you studied about the floral diagram. Okay, you want to clear about every floral diagram, every family floral diagram. Okay. Then we see about the fruit. Fleshy fruit with hard rind known as pepper. In ashcot or pumpkin, you can see the rind. Okay, rind-like structure. You can see you mean rind-like structure that called pepper. Okay, this is the internal part of that bottle gourd or gourd family fruit. More commonly indehiscent. Indehiscent means that fruit that not open during the maturation. After mature also that fruit do not open. Okay, do not split after mature. Okay, seeds, many seeds. That fruit produce many seeds. Flattened seed here. Flattened seed. Ex albuminous. Ex albuminous means non-endospermic seeds. Okay, that endosperm is consumed during the development of the fruit. Okay, there is no endospermic, so non-endospermic that called ex-albuminous. Large and oily cotyledon. Seed coat consists many layers. Okay, these are the seeds and fruit. Okay, under that any other doubt? Any other doubt?
No.
Okay, we'll move. This pollination usually endomobilous. Okay, can you tell what is endomobilous pollination? Did you heard about the endomobilous pollination? You can easily tell, okay, from this picture, you can easily tell what is entomopilus pollination.
Pollination done by animals.
Not an animal, that insect, okay, that insect that help to the pollination. Here, that insect that collect the pollen, okay, that help to the pollination. So, entomopilus means that insect that help to the pollination. Okay. Okay. Then we see about the economic importance of the Cucurbitaceae family. Okay. Hand tell. I already told about them. What are the crops belong to the Cucurbitaceae? Okay. From that, you can easily tell no what is the economic importance. What are the economic importance from this family? Can anyone tell? Bitter gourd, watermelon, pumpkin, ash gourd also belongs to this family, okay? You can easily tell, no? Why are you silent? Economics importance means what? Medicinal importance. Edible for edible, that help for edible. Ornamental purpose also that belongs to the economic importance, okay? You can easily tell, no? Please tell. Why are you silent?
Madam, cosmetics.
Okay. Can you tell examples of cosmetic?
Cucumber.
Sorry.
Cucumber.
Are they important?
Used as vegetables.
Okay, good. You can easily tell, no, that used for the vegetable. Okay, bitter gourd, pumpkin, that is used for the vegetables. Okay. Other economic importance?
Making jams with
Okay.
pumpkin.
Okay.
Make watermelon juice.
Okay. For medicinal purpose?
Cucumber.
Okay.
Bitter gourd.
Okay, good, very good. Okay, you can easily tell, okay, from that vegetables has many economic importance and medicinal, bitter gourd has many medicinal purpose, okay. Okay, we see one by one. Edible fruits, this is juice, watermelon juice, and cucumber sativus juice. Salad, cucumber. From cucumber, we can produce salads. Cooked vegetable. You already know about the cooked vegetable, bitter gourd, snake gourd, pumpkin, squash, ash gourd. Okay, pickles. You already know that pickles of cucumber, jam, pumpkin jam. Fruits. This is the ornamental. Okay, that helps to the musical instruments or ornaments. Fruits with the top ring used to make the containers in musical instruments and ornamental. Here you can see the ornamental or instruments. From that family groups, fruits is making ornamental or musical instrument. Okay. Fibrous pericarp of dried fruits used to as bath sponge. For preparation of the bath sponge, from this fibrous pericarp that is produced. Okay, the sponge coat from this bath sponge is produced. Then medicines. Fruits of the Momodica cerantia. This is a bitter gourd, okay, that has many medicinal properties that helps to regulate the sugar levels, helps to boost the immune system, aids proper digestion, and helps to reduce the inflammation and pain, reduce the fat and increase the metabolism, improves skin health and can be applied over wounds, and improves the liver health also. Okay, finish. Any other doubt or any I want to repeat or any other section I want to repeat? You can tell. If I want to repeat any other section?
Recording stopped.
Students, please respond.
No, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Did you clear about the female and male flower and floral diagram? Any other doubt from the floral diagram on flowers? No doubt?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, tell.
What is the meaning of prickly?
Prickly. Okay, this is the outward growth from the stem. The thorny stems that thorn that present in the stems. Thorn. Did you heard about thorn like structure in stems?
No.
You are Tamil or Sinhala?
Tamil.
Okay, mull that present in stem.
Yes.
That is called prickly. Okay.
Okay.
Any other doubt? Okay, tell. Appendium means cup-like structure. Okay, that is present below the calyx, corolla, and stamens. Cup-like, tube-like structure. Okay, in Cucurbitaceae family, calyx, corolla that insert in the appendium. Here, okay, wait. Here, below the calyx or corolla, here, appendium present. Okay, calyx and corolla that insert into the appendium. Okay, did you clear? Okay. Okay, that flowers, please you remember the flower color and shape. Sometimes you paste in the spot, okay, spot action, you space the snake goat. Sometimes we will place the snake goat flower, okay. You can easily, you want to identify that snake goat flower, pumpkin, all flowers, okay. And female and male flower also you want to identify, okay. In your discussion part, if you want to refer any other, if you want to write any other things, you can write about this family, okay. And tendrils, you want to write about the what is the means of tendrils. Here, tendrils, what is the mean and function of the tendrils. And economic importance, you want to refer. Okay, I include some other economic importance. You want to refer and include, okay, and carefully row the every pictures, okay. Here the tendril also you want to row, okay. In this picture that is clear, okay, that well-made lobe leaf, tendrils, long petioles. You want to clearly draw, okay. Okay, any other doubt about the presentation? A presentation preparation, any other doubt?
No.
Okay. I'm going to bind. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.